Hey, look, I tell my workers all the time, I think this is one of our best engine packages. Again, this motor is unbelievable. The torque and horsepower dollar for dollar is amazing. This is a 408 stroker. 408 makes about 550 foot-pounds of torque off idle. And I'll tell you something, it's making just about 500 horsepower also on a 450 horsepower design. Again, what an amazing beast. If there's anything we can help you with, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Thank you. Well, there you have it. We made about 500 horsepower, and I don't know, we're going to check the torque. Definitely made about 500 foot-pounds of torque. Again, great. Runs good.